Good day, Cougars. This is Mr. Cook, Western Hills World Geography. Today we are looking at types of governments. You'll notice the assignment has a 3 in front of it, which just means it's for the third 6 weeks. So today we are looking at types of government, and by the end you'll be able to describe and explain the different types of government. You'll complete a Pear Deck reading, filling out a graphic organizer on levels and types of government, then analyze political cartoons, identifying and describing the types of governments represented. Our agenda today is there's an attendance link below here in this Google form, and there is a warm-up, the green box on the notes slide. Then we're going to do, second thing is the Pear Deck on levels and types of governments, filling out the graphic organizer, the blue and purple boxes on the notes slide. And then the last thing today is types of government political cartoon analysis sheet. It's linked in the red box in the notes slide. Here's how you're going to be graded on your work for today, the rubric. So if you look at it, notes slide completion, no notes done gets you 0. If you've done some of the notes, you get 1 point, half of the notes 2, more than half but not all is 3, and all notes completed is 4. Pear Deck completion. If you don't respond to the Pear Deck, you get 0 points. If you respond to some of them but less than half, you get 1. Respond to half, you get 2. Respond to more than half but less than all, 3. And responding to all Pear Deck questions gets you 4. Remember, the Pear Deck completion is not always about correct answers. It is just about you giving a response to the question to show your thinking. For the political cartoon analysis sheets, if you don't do them, it's 0 points. If you do one of them, you get 1 point. If you do the 2 that I asked for, you get 2 points. And I will also give you extra bonus points if you do a third one. Okay, so that is how you'll be graded today. So let's walk through and see what you should be doing. So the first thing you should do is fill out this Google form on attendance. Then you should go and open the notes. In the notes, you should do the warm-up. Zoom in. The warm-up is, what are some types of governments that you know about? Tell what you know about them. So tell me what you know about different types of governments. Doesn't matter. You can look over here, but don't just copy over here from the notes. All it's going to tell you is the name, maybe a definition for 1 or 2 of the things. But what do you know already? Okay. The next thing is you're going to use the Pear Deck, and you're going to use the graphic organizer to fill out on levels. The first reading's about levels, and then the second reading is about types of government. Okay, and it will help you fill out all of these things. When it gets to the visual representation, you should go online or go into drawing and draw a symbol to represent these for you, or pull images from the internet. But again, make them small enough so that they fit in the box and don't cause this to go all the way over. Okay. When you have finished with the notes, first of all, I would suggest that you do a split screen. Half your screen is the Pear Deck, half the screen is your notes graphic organizer, so that you can fill it out. If you are on a Chromebook, if you hit the Alt button and then the 2 bracket buttons that are next to P, it is supposed to be able to do a split screen for you. It's a built-in component of the Chromebook. So if you hit the ALT button and then the 2 bracket buttons next to the P letter, you should be able to do a split screen pretty easily. You use the Pear Deck, answer the questions as you come across them. Make sure there is audio for you to listen if you would like. Okay, for each of the slides is red, but you need to fill out the notes and make sure you get the visual representation, because that is part of the notes graphic organizer. When you're done with that, you're going to come over here to the political cartoon analysis. So there are 6 political cartoons representing different types of government. Okay, and so you're going to go to political cartoon analysis graphic organizer. You click on that, it's going to open up. It's going to make you make a copy. Click make a copy. So what you're going to do is in each box, you're going to fill out the answer for it. Okay, so there are 3 levels of analysis for each political cartoon. So you're going to say cartoon number, and then I'm going to put a 1 or a 2, or a 3, 4, 5, or 6. So whichever one I pick, I'm going to put that number right there. Then you're going to answer here. I would suggest making your answers in a different color so that you can easily see them, but you need to have an answer in each box. If there is not something for that box, put does not apply or NA. Okay, but for most of the boxes you're going to have visual and analysis of words, okay, in all questions. So again, make sure you answer each box, make sure you answer a different color, and then for level 3 you have these 4 boxes. Make sure you have an answer in each. Okay, so that's your first one. When you do the second one is down here. If you want to do a third one, I've left it open for you to do a third one for possible extra credit. As long as you've done the other 2, you should get extra credit points for doing the third one. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're going to go back to your assignment. Make sure you add the assignment over here on the side. I can't because I don't have access as a student, but you would click the Add or Create button and make sure you click on the copy of Types of Government Political Cartoon Analysis. Okay, once you're done with that, you've done all the Pear Deck, you've done the political cartoon analysis, you've done the warm-up box attendance, you are able to turn it in, and you are done for the day. Okay? If you have questions, feel free to message me in Messenger or email. Have a good rest of your day.